Hello, good morning once again. Teacher Abby back again with another phonics video. Week 4 phonics, and as you can see on your screen, we are going to learn about letter D. D. Those of you who can remember from kindergarten, what does the letter D sound like? It sounds like D. D. Am I right? All right, so let's go on with it. Let's open the book and see. Love this. My phonics 1. I wanted you guys to see the whole animation. It cracks me up every time I see it. Anyway, so letter D. Let's make the sound.
Da.
Actually, it is D. D.
Da.
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 D. All right. So as we can see how they write da. D. The big D is all okay, but for some people, sometimes instead of writing D, they write B. Instead of writing B, they write D. You always need to remember you start with the 1 and the circle on the left for D. The 1 and the circle on the left. 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 So how many D words do you know? Dinosaur, dad, dimple, dog. What else? Didi. Some of you people, your names are Didi. You may have a brother called Didi. Da, and everything, right? Right. So we have 3 pictures here. In your book, I think you're going to have to trace the pictures. Picture number 1, picture number 2, and picture number 3. All these pictures begin with D, D, D. Do you know how to spell? Or do you know how to say these pictures? Take a guess. What is picture number 1? What is picture number 2? What is picture number 3? Did you get it right? Let's see. They said, listen and color all the pictures that begin with D, D. What is this? It's a drum. Does drum begin with D? Oh yes, so we shall get colored green and
Drum.
drum. How about this? This is a dog. Does dog begin with D, D? Oh yes. Have you ever seen a blue dog? No? Let's color our dog blue.
Dog.
A blue dog, that's a new one. And then the last one. What is this? I know some of you people are saying dinosaur, but it's not. Although it begins with D. Do you know how it's not a dinosaur? Because of the eyes, because of this tail, because of these paws. It is a, let's color it red.
Dragon.
A dragon. The only thing missing here is some fire. Next one, if you can remember, this is A, B, C. It is a dog. What number is it? It is a dragon. What number is it? It is a drum. What number is it? Can we start? Number one, it is a drum. So we get this and put it here. Number two, it is a dog. We get this here and put it there. And number three, it is a dragon. We get it here and put it here. Did you see? All right, so can we read for me again, just to summarize what we studied today? Remember, this unit has been about letter D, D. One, it is a drum. Two, it is a dog. Three, it is a dragon. So again, so simple, just to practice the sound, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.